Good morning, all of you. Dear kids, as you know that we have completed our syllabus for September, and in the coming days you will have your exams. So before that, we want to revise the work that we have done till now and the work that will come for our exams. Okay, so we will start from chapter number 5, Food for Us. We had already studied and we had already discussed about this chapter in detail, but now as you know that we all are doing revision, so in brief we will revise this. This chapter is about food, and food is very essential for us. Even we cannot live without food. But why do we need food? Because food gives us energy to work and play, and it keeps us healthy and strong, and it protects us from various diseases. What are diseases? Bimariyan. And there are two types of food. One that we get from plants is called vegetarian, and that we get from animals, that is non-vegetarian foods. And even we get food from plants and animals. Plants like fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. These are the food that we get from plants. And we get food from animals also. For example, we can say meat, milk, eggs and fish. And there are mainly three types of food. One is bodybuilding, energy giving and protective food. Bodybuilding, with the help of its name, you can easily know that this food helps in body to build, and it helps to build our body and our bones. For example, milk, meat, eggs and pulses. And energy giving food, that gives us energy to our body. Examples for energy giving food are potato, oil, ghee, butter, etc. Next is protective foods. Protective foods means, what is the meaning of protection? To save. So protection is must. So protective food that protect us from many diseases, and these foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. For example, fruits and vegetables. Next is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Dear students, daily we should eat different types of food, because if each and every time you will eat same type of food, you will get bored. And balanced diet means we should have all type of foods in that. For example, we should have energy giving food, we should have body building food and even protective foods also. Now we will talk about meal time, means how many times we should have meal. We should have 3 times. First is breakfast, that we should eat in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner, that is at night. And sometimes we take light snack early in the evening, that is called supper. And we should eat proper meals timely. and you know the role of water is very important in our life. 60 to 75% of our body is made of water, and it comes out from our body in the form of sweat. So at least we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Good food habits. Good food habits, they develop our personality also. These are: we should always eat fresh and clean food. We should not buy food from the street vendors. We should wash our hands before and after eating food. We should eat balanced diet, and we should eat as much as our body require. We should not eat junk food, and we should chew our food very well. So this topic is ended here. What I am going to say you have to read this chapter thoroughly, so that in the next class when I will take your test, you should have good understanding of this chapter. Okay, my dear students, thank you and have a nice day.